channel. Today I'm going to be discussing on whether or not rice water works on relaxed, high porosity hair. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. So I shared a video a while ago on how I made rice water, how I applied it to my hair, and I kind of just strayed away from it just because I really didn't see any results like people were saying within like seconds or 30 minutes or an hour. I didn't see it. I'm just saying, I didn't see it. So I've been hearing years later the rice water is still a thing, and people are using black rice water, people are using multi-grain rices, people are using white rices, brown rices, and talking about the plethora of benefits. I decided to do my research and find out more about the benefits of rice water. So let's get into these benefits, honey. So I decided to do a multi-grain rice, which I got from my local public store. I would recommend anything that you're going to be putting in your pores or just in your body in general. If you're looking for benefits, try to use organic products or organic foods. So mine was organic wild rice, and so I got it from Publix, and it has, again, a plethora of benefits. It's rich in minerals, it's also rich in vitamins. It helps to not only improve the hair with protein, but it also has shine to it. It also strengthens the hair. And get this, it tightens your skin. Like, it tightens, like minimizing the pores of the skin. So you can use it for like acne. So if you're acne prone, you can use it for that as well. I used it for, I want to say, a good week. And I kind of pulled my hair before using it just to see what my hair was looking like. I did a deep condition, and then I added, because it was funky, honey, it was funky, tea tree oil and peppermint oil to it. Now, my rice water, I did it like, I don't know, you could say what you want, but it worked. I put it in the plastic container here, cup, and then I left it in for 3 days. I did not mean to leave it in for 3 days, and that's probably why it was so funky, but I did. Hey, it happened. So before letting it sit, I rinsed my water, and then I placed it in the container, like I said, for 3 days, and I covered it with a plastic bag. You could also put it in a jar. You can do whatever you choose to do. Just do you, boo, okay? I'm gonna show you how I apply it to my hair. And I'm also gonna be looking to kind of see, did I get any growth? Now, it's been like 2 weeks since I've been like kind of using it. I used it for a whole week, and then I did notice that my hair felt thicker. My hair felt thicker, it felt softer, like it immediately got soft. It also had a shine to it, so I was really taken back because, I don't know, like, I'm just gonna be honest, like, I don't just jump on any bandwagons. I don't care who's doing what, when, where. Like, I'll choose to do it if I choose to do it, type of thing, you know what I mean? So after doing my deep condition, I did spray this on my hair, and it did help with detangling. It softened my hair. Like, I was really surprised. I don't know. Yeah, I definitely see a difference in hair growth. Like, I think my hair stopped here, if I'm not mistaken. And my hair now, okay, yeah, I definitely see a difference. And like I said, not only is my hair like softer, it's like it closed my cuticles. Is really good for high porosity hair. See, okay, yeah, I can definitely see a difference. Look at that. Can y'all see that? I know, like, I'm not all the way in the camera, but I just want to really get, yeah, girl, yeah. Y'all see that? All right, so I got some shorter pieces of my hair also in the back, so I'm gonna kind of see what that's doing as well, because this is my longest piece of hair. So I'm trying to let y'all see. So, wow, it's pretty much the same length. This is the back of my hair here. Wow, it's like it's catching up. Girl, what? And it's hard to really tell with it still being so like curly. I will have to like wet it and get a better picture. But yeah, it definitely feels like it's grown. Like most of my hair stops underneath my boob, in which I don't think my hair was that long at all. It definitely, like I said, feels a lot smoother, my cuticles. Let me see. Now my bang, I did measure that, and it measured like right here on me. So wow, wow, wow. So here is where I remember, I think it's like here or here, I can't remember, but either way, like my hair is here. Like, girl, here or here, I can't remember, but girl, it's wow. Wow, girl, let me get the other side. Wow. Look, granted it's been 2 weeks, so I mean, yeah, but I don't know. I'm gonna keep using it and seeing if there's a difference. So I'm gonna get my hair here on the other side. And so that's where my hair here. You can see like the end of it here. Y'all see that? Yeah, so this is a little bit shorter than this side. I cut this too, so that's probably why. So there's like an inch difference in the hair. Wow, and I'm not even pulling it that much. I can definitely say that my hair feels a lot thicker though. If anything, it definitely feels a lot thicker. Okay. My hair stops here. Wow. This is my shorter side as well. Like I said, I went in and, girl, start cutting, and I don't know. I'm gonna change my shirts. This is where my hair is stopping at here. Like under my boob. And then getting the other side. Pretty much the same. So I'm just gonna be honest, like I definitely feel a difference in the rice water. Look, I'm not a chemist, scientist, any of that thing right there, but the rice water definitely will get your hair right, especially if you are high porosity. Now, if you are low porosity, you just want to be careful because your hair is protein sensitive, and remember, this is a protein. So I would just suggest like maybe you do it maybe twice a month or something like that, because if you do it too much, you can get a protein overload. This is something that was really good for my hair journey because it helped to minimize my breakage. So if you're looking for a natural way, definitely give the rice water a try. I've jumped on the bandwagon. I don't tend to jump on too many bandwagons, but I am grateful to be able to have started this because it's beneficial.